Good afternoon. My name is Yash Raj Rai. My father name is Sanjeev Kumar Rai. I am studying in 5th class of St. Mark's Jubilee School in Telangana. I would like to share the good news that I have been selected for Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya and Sainik School and I am from Tejas Batch 6. I would like to give all the credit to my parents and DD sir, Ashok sir, Gaurav sir, Ajay sir and Satyam sir with all the group of Drone School. Now I would like to suggest my junior that you should take only the batches of Drone School if you want the secure and nice result in your exam. Thank you.